nice out. It's not snowing. Oh, heck yeah, boy. Ooh, get out of here. Wait. Oh no. Oh no, the focus is gross again. Alright, I guess I gotta clean that first before I start doing anything. But before we do... but before I can even start anything, I literally need to print something out for an autocross this weekend. But the printer's being goofy, so alright, I got hooked up all ghetto and stuff, but hopefully it works. Autocross! Oh, it's printing. Oh, it's working. Wait, why is it still? No! No, it's out of ink! Oh no, it's out of ink! Here, I'll do it one more time, maybe. Maybe it's gonna print real good, real nice. Give me the beans. Ah, dang it, it's literally out of ink. Attempt number 450. Dude, I need this to be printed, man. So the printer was out of black ink, so I had to print on grayscale or with the blue cartridge. At least it's printed, so that's good. Finally clean the focus. Looks good. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Same from Merc Films here. Back again with another video. I should probably close the front. Same from Merc Films here. Back again with another video. And today, we're finally, get that out of here. Finally, I finally got fire extinguisher. And it's gonna be great. Now, this is probably one of those mods that if you're tracking your car, you're racing your car, and you're at a certain point in modifying your car, this might be, this should be one of the considerations as far as safety equipment is concerned. I'm probably well overdue for getting one of these, but finally just not getting one. People have told me that I should get a fire extinguisher. This is probably one of those safety equipment that you should never have to use, or you would never want to have to use. I think in the worst case scenario, I want to be able to, I'd rather not stand by the side and watch my car go up in flames. So I ordered this from Summit Racing. It's a Halgard fire extinguisher. Basically, just a normal fire extinguisher. There's different kinds of extinguishers you can get in different sizes, obviously. This is the Clean Agent one, which is, you can get fire extinguishers for pretty affordable, like 50, 40 bucks. But a lot of fire extinguishers will, when used, can corrode, like engine bays, it can corrode metal, and it could damage electronics. So if your, motor's on fire and you put it out, you might end up doing more damage than the fire could have caused, but at the same time, probably still better than watching your car go up. In this case, I didn't go with that cheaper option. For about 100 bucks more, you can get a Clean Agent one, like this one, which does not corrode or damage your motor when you use it. It just evaporates, I guess, after use or something like that. I think it's liquid. Is that how it works? I don't know how it works. It costs more, but at the same time, it won't damage anything. Even if it's just a cheaper version, it's better than not having anything at all. But I definitely recommend going with something like this that doesn't damage anything. That being said, I want to be installing this bad boy in the car. But before I get to installing that, I also have to do a couple things with the car. I want to install this little trim that I have for the dash, the center vent. In case you guys haven't noticed, in most of my GTR videos, the center vents, or the fins for the center vents, are missing. Well, I have another one. Hold on, let me open this so I can show you guys better. Ooh, brand new Nissan OEM. I've had this for so long, I don't know why I'm just now opening this. What I mean by all the fins broke out. So this is a brand new one. My last one was a used one, and the one before that was the one that was in the car already, which cracked completely. It's just literally the whole thing just kind of fell out of the dash. Whereas this one, luckily, only the fins came out. The one on my car, all the foam on the edge here, all gone. They're all frayed away. But I got a brand new one. This is an easy install, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll get to installing this bad boy. Oh, that hot boy shifter though. I want to take that out before the autocross. So this is what I meant by missing the center fins. So here's a side-by-side comparison. This is what it's supposed to look like. That's what mine looks like. Luckily, like I said, this little outer plastic bit is still intact. So all you have to do is pretty much pop it out with like a flathead. Try not to warp the edges like I have. Yeah, that can happen. So be careful when you're popping it out. I almost cracked the dude's dash that I pulled this one out of. So. Oh, sketchy. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Blammo. Got it out. Like I said, the foam that's on the edges, mine is nice and crusty. Not that it really matters, doesn't really do anything. But yeah, it's supposed to be like insulation. New one right here. You just slide in. Simple as that. Should. Bam! There you go. My car looks complete again. Oh my god, I hate this. I wish my dash wasn't warped, but yeah, there you go. There you have it. All right, let's get the fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Cool. Installed. I should probably mount it somewhere. The right solution. Shit. Here we go. Alright, so I also got this, which is a as it says, universal fire extinguisher seat mount. So this mounts to the seat rail, and it's adjustable. It's supposed to be universal, so hopefully it does fit. We got some get that instructions out of here. You can mount your not the actual not the fire extinguisher, but the bracket onto this bad boy, and it's supposed to mount somewhere in the footwell. You could do it either on the driver's side or the passenger side. I haven't decided yet because I sit so close or so far up in the driver's side. I might put it in the passenger side. All you have to do is really just reach down and grab it. So I think it's still, because I know a lot of people put it right here, have the fire extinguisher like that. That's a good comparison. Anyway, kind of like that, and you can reach it. But I don't think I need to do that. I think I can still reach it just as good if I put it in the floor. I think Mighty Car Mods made their like own DIY bracket without any welding or anything. But yeah, same concept, just pre-made for me. I don't have to go to the hardware store or anything. Everything's already in here. So I think seat brackets are pretty self-explanatory. All you do, 2 bolts in the front, that's where it's gonna mount to. So just use the original mounting hardware. This somehow goes on there, which I don't know how. I actually need the instructions because I'm stupid. So I'll be right back with you once I have this thing completely put together. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Nothing's tightened at all. Everything's just hand tightened, so I can adjust it. But basically, this is where right here is where it's going to bolt on to the seat rail bolt. Here as well on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. And then this makes it adjustable side to side, so you could change that length between 2 mounting points. So now all there is to do, you can also adjust the height of it, but I'm going to try to make it low as possible so it doesn't get in the way. Pretty easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and mock it up, get it set up, and then tighten everything down once I got it where I want it to be. Now, I'm only going to hand tighten it at first so I can adjust everything. And once everything is hand tightened, I will line everything up, make sure everything's hunky-dory. I probably should have put the rail or the mount together, like as I assembled it onto the seat. Probably would have been a better idea. So if I wanted to, I could still push up a little bit, but not much. Yeah. All right. Well, the passenger's gonna have to suck it up and sit far back. All right. That's kind of where I want it. Oh, is that far as it goes? Oh no, that's not good. It's like ever so slightly not quite long enough. Oh no, dudes, it's starting to rain. I need to get the car in the garage before it rains, but here you go. Here's the front product, really hard to see. That's what it looks like. Anyway, so basically, it bolts onto where the front 2 seat rail bolts mount to, and that's about it. And then this right here, this half, you can't really see it, half of the rail extends and shortens, and you can just tighten it down. Everything's bolted tight, not going anywhere. If you guys are interested in these, I'm not sponsored or anything, just saying. But if you guys are interested in getting a decent fire extinguisher, I recommend going to Summit Racing. I'll leave the links in the description for both the rail and the fire extinguisher. That didn't light anything up. Alright, so now that we're out of the rain, let me give you a closer look. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's in. There's no, excuse me. As far as passenger footroom is concerned, there is none of it. You can't move the seat further back or further forward. That's just not an option anymore. And these brackets are fully extended far forward as I can get it and low as I can get it. So people kind of sit over the fire extinguisher, but it is pretty easy to reach. You can see you just blammo, then you just take it out. Pretty simple. Actually, I'm gonna try it from the driver's side real quick. I also chose black because, well, I don't want it to stand out too much. Everything is super easy to access. So, well, I'm gonna try to take it off from the driver's side. Oh, super easy to get to. Anyway, so there you have it, guys. That's the fire extinguisher install. Like I said, I'll put the links down in the description if you guys are interested in getting this fire extinguisher and the seat rail universal mount. It's universal mount. It's not meant for this car. It's just, it fits most cars. So keep that in mind. It almost didn't fit in my car. It's actually kind of bent, kind of crooked right here, but it's not going anywhere, so I'm not worried about it. Alright, so over in the intro I showed you guys me trying to set up the broken printer. It just turned out to be it wasn't compatible with Windows 7, but on my computer I have Windows 10 and the drivers worked. But I was trying to print this out. This is for a NASA sanctioned autocross over at Gateway Motorsports Speedway, coming this Sunday. Right now it's Thursday, I think. Yeah, right now it's Thursday, so on the 18th. But you guys will see this video probably like either Friday or Saturday. I don't know yet. But yeah, I got an autocross coming up in this car. This car's first autocross stateside at least. Anyway, I'm signed up for that. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing that here shortly, so more GTR content to come, as long as it doesn't snow. If it doesn't snow on Sunday, we're good. Or, you know, if the roads aren't frozen or anything, we should be fine, as long as that's not the case. Otherwise, no autocross for maybe another month. Anyway, so I'm signing up for this one. They require you to fill out this little tech inspection form yourself and bring it with you, like half filled out, and then you go through tech. Hopefully the car passes, but the fire extinguisher is something I want to do well before. And oh wait, before I end the video, I need to take this off. I can't be doing autocross with the freaking hot boy shifter, dude. There we go. OG, not really OG, but OG Tomei shift knob on here. Bam. There we go. Alright, so no more hot boy shifter. Anyway, as I was saying, autocross weekend. Look forward to that video. Video's coming up soon. I'm definitely making a video. I'm gonna try to do a cinematic kind of thing. Should be fun. Right now, my tire situation, I'm on a Dunlop Dureza Z2 Star Specs, which are from last season, the beginning of last season. They're pretty worn out, but I did want to use whatever tread was left on. There's no cord, there's still tread on it, but it's on the wear mark, so it should be good for one more event, I'm hoping. Hopefully, even with that, it still passes tech. I want to do last checkup on everything before the event. I'll show you guys what I usually bring to the track. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I know it might be short, it might be long. I'm gonna try to keep it around 10 minutes-ish or under. But I just wanted to show you guys installing a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is one of those things you might want, like I said, might want to consider if you're wanting to track your car often. You never know what could happen. The worst case scenario, you don't want to watch your car burn to the ground. That just sucks. Worst case scenario, nice to have these. One of those mods that you hope you never have to use, and it's safety equipment, guys, so if it's try not to be too cheap, but also there are cheaper alternatives to fire extinguishers. Like I said, this one's the kind that doesn't corrode anything and doesn't damage your electronics, so when you use it, it's a clean agent, it's nicer, but it's also very expensive. This one was about $170, I think. A little expensive, I know, but it might be a good investment. Also, the seat rail, you don't need a seat rail. It comes with it comes with this little release bracket mount thing. This comes with the fire extinguisher, and it has holes pre-drilled into the mount, so that you could pretty much bolt it on to anywhere. You just need to drill holes somewhere and hard mount it. The same company also makes, I believe, roll cage mounts. So if you want to bolt it to your roll cage or something. Me personally, I just didn't want to drill any holes into the car, so I went with the bolting method. The trade-off was that no leg room. As you can see, there is no leg room for the passenger, but I don't really care because, you know, lonely drivers. Anyway, like I said, look forward to the autocross video coming up soon. Definitely by next week, hopefully, I'll have it edited and done. I'll try to record as much as possible. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for this video. Fire extinguisher install. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this video maybe gave you an idea what it takes when it comes to looking into fire extinguishers, different kinds of extinguishers. Just do some research. You might find something that you might like. But yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Write down in the comments what you guys thought on the video, anything I could do better, anything you would like to see in the future, let me know. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and more. Love you guys. Peace out. Yeah, that's all I got. Alright. The end.